Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, after a lot of requests on this, well, not a lot, but quite a few requests, I'm going to show you how to make the SpiderMan symbol a little bit more simple without the spikes. And since I already kind of made the SpiderMan, I'm going to be using him, which is a character that I don't know what he was supposed to be. But yeah, he has a little mask there. And patch, I don't know why the yellow was there. I'm going to be using him to show you how to make the symbol again. Except this time a little bit easier. So, the first thing you're going to do is, you're going to take a piece of white, you're going to make a small circle like this, right? So let me show you again. Take the circle, take the tip like this, you round it just like that. And then you're going to bring this over the top and over the middle. And you're going to make another little segment right there. And then this is where you can just cut it. But since I don't have scissors, I like to use this technique for me. And then you see this little spike here that's left. Let me see if that clears in. You're going to tuck that under here that's left over. And that's going to go on the build. So you can already see it so far. So then what you're going to do here, you're going to make a little spider leg. You're going to take, this is the same piece of white, but if you need a new one, you can take it. Take one here. And then you're going to wrap it around the segment here. Once. Then twice. And then right about there where it lines up, you cut it off again. Oh, I cut that a little. It's okay. I have a step because I got a lot of complaints about the spikes, so those are going to disappear in a bit. So now you're going to take another piece of white. This one's going to be longer than the other one. You can take the white like this, wrap it over, then wrap it through here. You have the little spider symbol right there. And then you bring it over like that. Cut it about right there. And then you can see how this is going to go. If you want this smaller, then just do smaller portions or cut it smaller. But trust me, it might look big right now, but this is going to get smaller later. Then what you're going to do here, you're going to take one more piece of white. This one's going to be pretty long. This one you're going to wrap over the arms like that. And then over through here. So wrap over this, then over this, like that. Then you're going to bring this over here, wrap it over this, then bring it out like that. Then finally, here's what you're going to do for this part. You're going to take another circle here for this part. Well, the same piece of white. I've only used, I think, 2 so far. So you're going to take a piece of white, curve it like that, cut it, about like that. Then you're going to take that same piece of white here, wrap around the center, and then attach it right here and wrap it over like this. And then just fold it over this part right here. and then over this part. And so you see this spike here, you're gonna curve it into there. So it's inside the spider now. Now for the rest of the spider, to make this smaller, what you're gonna do is you're actually gonna take the tip here and you're gonna fold it. You're gonna take this tip here, more than halfway up, you're gonna fold it. Be careful with that spike because it can hurt you. Take the tip here, fold it. Take the tip here, fold it. Take the tip here, fold it. Except this one you need to be a little bit higher up. Take the tip, fold it, so that this side is longer. Take the tip, fold it. Take the tip, fold it. And then take your spider sign and you can attach it to your character. If you have your Spider-Man character already made, you can probably like thread the white into some pocket. So I'll just attach it to this guy really quick. So you see how I'm attaching it and just finding random loopholes. Fold it inwards. Fold it inwards. And there you go. And then you can just buff it out as you please. And always feel free, I always recommend creativity, so make it your own way. But that's how you make the Spider-Man symbol. Or at least the long white one. I can show you how to make a smaller black one if you guys want, but you have to comment down below for that. And that's how you make the Spider-Man symbol. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you for the feedback on that. I'm so glad to hear from you guys. And I hope this helps make your Spider-Man as amazing as it can be. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, subscribe, like, comment any suggestions you have down below for what you want me to make later in the future. And also, this is going to be a small, this isn't going to happen quite yet, but I'm planning for once I get to 500 subscribers, I'm going to do a giveaway of one of my own characters to you guys for free. So I need you guys to keep subscribing, and once we get to that 500 mark, we are doing a giveaway. We're going to enter your name in the comments, and I'm going to choose randomly. But don't worry about that yet because it's not quite time, but I just wanted to put that out there now. So thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.